Y'all, there is a reason why my mama's collard greens recipe has over 400 five-star ratings. It is the best, hands down.
That's scrumptious.
She starts by getting that pot liquor going with some smoked turkey. And you can use ham hock because she's from the South and that's how she gets down too. And then she starts to get in those greens cleaned, okay? And you got to take your time with this. Once she cuts them up, they get soaked over and over and over, getting rid of all of the grit before she adds them to that deeply seeped pot liquor juice that started with the smoked turkey, along with some bacon, some onion, several spices, and several different flavor enhancers that really give you that silky, delicious braised flavor that's so savory and just good for your soul, y'all. Get a pot of this and some cornbread and get your whole life.